Nikki, first up, let's get started by looking at the international handover, and quite the interesting handover coming in because it looks like US markets are finally recovering some footing after
Well, absolutely, and Shanti, not some, quite a lot of footing because the moves that we did see intraday coming in for the US yesterday, some stellar moves coming in for the US markets, and let's start by taking a look at what's happening when it comes to this entire space. Wall Street has been abuzz in trade yesterday when you look at it on an intraday basis, and US stock futures were little changed last night. But what's key to note is that intraday yesterday, S&P 500 snapped a 6-day losing streak, buoyed by a rebound in tech stocks. Wall Street also looked ahead to key earnings and economic data later this week. Now, remember, investors are coming off a winning session yesterday. The 30-stock Dow has closed with an uptick of 0.7%. S&P 500 has advanced almost 1%. Nasdaq has outperformed all the other indices when it comes to Wall Street, climbing 1.2% almost in yesterday's trading session. Now, both the S&P and Nasdaq have ended a 6-day losing run, so some reversal coming in moves over there as well. Those moves as investors bought the dip in tech stocks after a recent sell-off in key names such as Nvidia, which had dinged recently amid fears of higher inflation and the prospect of elevated interest rates. Information technology was the best performing S&P 500 sector yesterday. Nvidia jumped more than 4% during the trading session. Looks like the good days are back for Nvidia, and the chip giant pulled back by nearly 14% last week, its worst weekly performance since September 2022. Traders are also bracing for the release of mega cap earnings results this week. First up, Tesla will be reporting after the close on Tuesday. The electric vehicle stock has underperformed this year, down more than 40% amid fears of greater competition from Chinese competitors. Meta Platforms also slated to post results on Wednesday afternoon, followed by Alphabet and Microsoft on Thursday. Big earnings are what is lined up for Wall Street going ahead in the week. On the economic front, then, investors will watch for the release of the new home sales data on Tuesday after the market closes. So, well, some key information coming in over there when we look at data coming in from the US market. So, largely very good handover coming in from the US markets. But if there is one place that's doing nominally better than the US markets too, that is the European markets, because DAX is up 0.7%. FTSE index has gained 1.6% to notch record close. FTSE has closed at 8,023.8. That's a new record high coming in for FTSE over there as well. 1.6% uptick coming in on FTSE, and the Pan-European Stock 600 index also comfortably in the green with a close of 0.6%, more than 0.5% gains coming in over the Stock 600 as well. So a largely very positive handover when it comes to the global markets. Both US and Europe seem to be doing well, but Shreyansi,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.